Hello everyone, I will unbox one for you today, like RC brand products. Let's open the lock on the aluminum case. That's right, it has the Unimog U535. Next, let us look at the details. Tires are made of rubber. Next, take out the remaining parts. Various accessories. Please contact us for more details. The hood can be opened. Remote control receiving line and power switch. The hood support rod. Flip latch handle before opening. With automatic limit. Open the battery compartment latch. Remove the battery compartment back panel. For Rosama is recommended 7 for polymer lithium battery. Simulation chimney. Open the door. Interior made of ABS plastic material. Steering wheel, adjustable up and down. Steering wheel, with motor drive. Lift the foot brake to activate. Steering wheel moves left and right. Press the seat switch, adjustable front and rear. Side guards can be opened. The simulated water tank can be opened. Cargo bucket is an optional configuration. Order separately. Cargo bucket clasp open. Made of CNC, machined aluminum alloy material. Supports three-way dumping. Open the latches on the 3 side panels. The 3 side panels can be opened and closed. Fully removable side panel design. Unlatch the remaining cargo hopper. Cargo hopper is removable. Tail toe hook option, order separately. Shock absorber system. Precisely replicated the original car's gearbox. Vehicle chassis. 3 driving modes: 2 drive, 4 drive, 4 drive with lock. Like this U535, please contact us.